So for my learning management system, I decided to use Canvas. I have used this before with other classes and in high school and whatnot. So it was kind of hard for me to choose something because my goal is to eventually teach kindergarten or elementary school. So I decided to make this page more for the parents and use it in a different way. Um, I added a little introduction about myself so that the parents feel more comfortable with me. And then I would continually add modules throughout the semester along with worksheets that the kids would be using. And then I decided to add like a Q&A discussion board. If any of the parents had questions, they would feel free to post to this. Overall, Canvas was super easy for me to set up, and it had a guided course as you see right here. And I, as a student, really liked using this because it's super easy, super helpful. You give feedback and see feedback and whatnot, and it's really easy to interact along with your classmates. Hopefully, it would be the same for the teachers or for the parents in my classroom, and that's why I chose it. Thank you.